Bollywood thespian Big B turns 70 today, and to bring in grand day, the Bachchan family hosted a lavish party in Mumbai, where the who's who from the film and design and glamour worlds were present to join the veteran actor and make his day a memorable one. It was his wife Jaya, son Abhishek, and wife Aishwarya who threw in this party. That is his daughter-in-law Aishwarya. The Bachchan clan celebrated the event in style with a book launch and an Indian contemporary ballet performance by Nrityatya performed to Harivansh Rai Bachchan's poem recited by Bachchan himself. The party was held at Reliance Media Works Film City in Mumbai. The invite was sent on behalf of the entire Bachchan family, including Jai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Bachchan, Shweta Nanda, Nikhil Nanda, Navya Naveli Nanda, Agastya Nanda, and Aradhya Bachchan. The creme de la creme of Bollywood was spotted wishing the Shahenshah of Bollywood a hearty life. The big bash to celebrate Amitabh Bachchan's birthday was attended by some of the biggest stars in Bollywood. Everyone was a star, but one couple was extra special, Dilip Kumar and his wife Saira Banu. When they arrived at a venue, it was a special moment for the host. And following in the tradition of his father, Amitabh, the gracious host, and Abhishek Bachchan and his wife Aishwarya left guests big and small to go right up to the entrance to welcome someone who is very precious to them. Abhishek even touched the Doyen's feet as a mark of respect, and not without reason. His father Amitabh and Dilip Kumar shared a special bond that goes back decades to movies like Shakti, where the duo shared screen space. And indeed, a day like this is undoubtedly a happy occasion for both of them. Well, Amitabh Bachchan, like we just told you, brought in his birthday in style with a who's who of Bollywood in attendance, and every star had just one thing on their mind: the long life and good health of the man they love and respect.
Welcome back. Thank you very much. What a glorious 70, and I'm just happy कि आप सब यहाँ हैं उनके साथ. इससे बड़ी बात उनके लिए और कुछ हो नहीं सकती है, उनके सारे दोस्त आज इस शाम उनके साथ बिताने आए हैं और आप लोग भी यहाँ. His 70th birthday, wonderful birthday.
वो 70 साल के हो गए यार, अच्छी बात है. मैं खुश हूँ.
I don't think we can wish any more for him. He's got everything.
Well, filmmakers still aspire to cast Amitabh Bachchan in their creations, and screenplay writers dream of weaving celluloid magic based on his on-screen histrionics. From being an angry young man to the Shahenshah of Bollywood, Amitabh Harivansh Rai Srivastava has travelled a long way beyond the aura of an Amitabh Bachchan, beyond the facade of Big B. There beats the soul of a consummate performer.
विजय, दीनानाथ, जॉन, पूरा नाम. मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता. डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है.
See, the whole country of the system is juxtapositioned by the hemoglobin in the atmosphere because you are a sophisticated rhetorician intoxicated by the exuberance of your own verbosity.
तुम लोग मुझे ढूंढ रहे हो और मैं तुम्हारा यहाँ इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. जो आज तक तुम्हारे मंदिर की सीढ़ियां नहीं चढ़ा, जिसने आज तक तुम्हारे सामने सर नहीं झुकाया, जिसने आज तक कभी तुम्हारे सामने हाथ नहीं जोड़े, वो आज तुम्हारे सामने हाथ फैलाएगा. जाओ पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरे बाप से साइन लिया था. पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरी मां को गाली देकर नौकरी से निकाल दिया था. जाओ पहले उस आदमी का साइन लेकर आओ जिसने मेरे हाथ पे यह दिया था. उसके बाद मेरे भाई तुम जिस कागज पे कहोगे मैं उस पर साइन कर दूंगा. जब तक बैठने को न कहा जाए शराफत से खड़े रहो. ये पुलिस स्टेशन है, तुम्हारे बाप का घर नहीं.
बाबूजी ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे that I can leave अंग्रेज behind. You see sir, I can talk English, I can walk English, I can laugh English because English is a very funny language.
मदिरालय जाने को घर से चलता है पीने वाला, किस पथ से जाऊं असमंजस में है वो भोला भाला. अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब, अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब, पर मैं ये बतलाता हूं, राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, पा जाएगा मधुशाला।
Well, it's not just stars who were present at the Grand Bash, but others from across the Bollywood fraternity also had only the best wishes for the star of the millennium, Amitabh Bachchan. Take a look.
A big happy birthday to Amitabh Bachchan ji.
शुभकामनाएं, मतलब मेरी तरफ से सारी शुभकामनाएं और सारी इतने जो उनके फैंस हैं सबकी तरफ से, और हम यही चाहेंगे कि वो हमेशा इसी तरह, जिस तरह आज इतने सालों से हमें एंटरटेन करते आए हैं, वो सारी जिंदगी करते रहे। सारे लोगों की दुआएं उनके साथ हैं।
Always wish him, and I wish that he has many more birthdays and he lives forever.
Wish that he lives another 200 years, 300 years, so that we can keep seeing him in Indian film industry and keep inspiring all of us actors like us.
जितनी भी उनके लिए शुभकामनाएं दे वो कम है, and he's an icon one always looks up to, and God give him the longest life ever. Very happy birthday. You at the party.
हम बहुत बड़े फैन हैं बच्चन साहब को भी जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, और हम चाहते हैं कि उनकी पैशन हम में 1% को आ जाए.
But I would like to wish Amit uncle a very happy birthday, and he's been rocking it for so many years, and with his 70th he's going to do even better. Happy birthday, sir! Wish you a long, healthy, happy life. I know even my great grandchildren will know you. You are the pride of our nation. God bless you.
He's a legend. He's a man who's going to turn 70, but I think he's got the energy of a 30-year-old.
मैंने 2 शोज किए उनके साथ, जहाँ हम लोग कम से कम 2 महीने साथ में थे, तो उस वक्त they were great, they were बहुत सी किस्से हैं। और वहाँ क्या होता है, जब आदमी साथ में रहता है 2 महीने 40-50 दिन साथ में रहता है, तो वहाँ पता चलता है कि because it's not just going on the shooting and going back home. Yeah, day and evening we are all together, so it was great fun, and that's the time I came to know that he's not only a great actor, but a fantastic human being and a great sense of humor. He's got a fantastic sense of humor. Once he's in his element, he can really make you laugh.
I would just like to wish him a very happy birthday. He's been inspiring us for so many years. I mean, we've grown up watching his films, completely influenced by his personality, by his films, by his performances, and inspired. So I would just wish and pray to God that he keeps inspiring us for a long time.